Let's make sure we're recording. And we're recording. So what's going on YouTube? My name is Tyler and my blog is thexking.com, which you see before you. Now, this is my 8th month of blogging, and this is my results so far. My traffic is not where I want it to be, and I'm going to show you my blog post I posted months ago. I did November. This is July 3rd. I did a lot of blog posts, and it still hasn't hit that hockey stick growth what everyone's been telling me to get. Anyway, you see the month of May, I got 199 views to the site. In June, I got 270. So this may be the turn I was looking for. Maybe I'm starting to see that growth now. There's only it's only July 3rd, and I got 25 views so far. So, like I said, this month might be 300, and hopefully it'll go up past 270. But my blog has not gotten to that point yet. But I believe that if I keep going and keep blogging and keep going on doing, I will get there. I think if I keep going, don't be discouraged, don't quit. I'll make it, because as soon as I quit the blog and something else, this would take off. So this is my results. Not very good at all, not like I want to. And let's go to my post, and I can show you the blog posts I've done, and when I started taking my blog more seriously in November. Okay, so these are blog posts that's being published soon, and like I said, timestamp your work. I'm gonna show you something that I shouldn't show people, but look at these. I have all these articles being posted September, October, plenty going out in the future. Plenty going out. Let's go back into November is when I seriously did the blog. Okay, so November, you see I got a blog post going out every day. And I thought it was 2-word, full 3-word articles that I wasn't doing, but I started just really ramping up the blog. You see all the posts I got going out here. I really cracked down, and started doing some content. January, a blog post per day. I was just doing blog posts. Per day. In January of this year. I think February we did it, but we took a break. Not a break, but it was kind of hard to do it. My son was born in August, so that took some time. Spent time with him. As you see, February, some did 3 blog posts a day. Some I did a couple blog posts, but that's a lot of articles going out. So it takes a long time to rank. I've been on Pinterest, but not as much. I do 1 pin pair blog posts. If I huckle down and really bought me a course on Pinterest, and really I can really ramp this blog up, which is my next step. My next step is to ramp up the blog as well. So that's the goal for the blog. But you see my blog posts I've been writing. So there's a lot of blog posts. Okay, a lot of articles. So this is my update, my review. So if I got on the #1 traffic source for bloggers is Pinterest. So after today, I shot a lot of videos today, a lot of content today. I'm gonna huckle down and really learn Pinterest. If you go to Insight, Pinterest is probably the next thing I'm gonna get into because everyone's using it. And I'm gonna start using it myself as well. We go to oversight and we see the traffic, it's up and down, and you see Pinterest is my third traffic source. Then it's Quora. I use Quora as well. Answer questions on Quora and post it up here. YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, Quora. Okay, so yep, that's how you do it. That's how my blog is going so far. So thanks for watching my video. Hopefully next month will be a better month, but as of right now, we do the best we can with what we got. Keep pushing forward. We don't falter. We don't, we put our head down and keep running content. We keep on going. Because one day, I'll look back at the video, I'll say, look guys, go to my archive, go to my 8th month blog update and see the traffic I was getting then, and look what I'm getting right now. If I didn't stop, I kept on going. Okay, so that's the end of my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and I'll see you next time.